You may have heard that most people think that our attention span is shortening. That it only takes about 3 seconds for us to move on from a video you're watching because we're bored, because our attention span is so horrible. But what does this really mean for kind of long form content on YouTube and stuff like that? Is it really a dying medium? Now, if our attention span is really getting shorter, does this mean videos like on YouTube and stuff like that are going to eventually be phased out and replaced with this shorter form content that we see on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, or Reels, or anything like that? I don't really think it's that big of a deal. Like when we used to be, right, when the internet was first, showing up, we would pretty much watch whatever we wanted to watch. But today, if something doesn't capture our interest in the first 3 seconds, I don't really think it's a crime to move on. We don't want to waste our time watching something that's not going to be worth our time. Obviously, TikTok has exploded in popularity and people like to doom scroll on that for hours on end. And you can make the argument, well, if you're going to scroll on TikTok for an hour, why not just watch an actual, TV show or a YouTube video or anything long form instead of that? And I think it kind of boils down to TikTok's convenient. Like, I just open my phone and I'm on TikTok immediately and I can sit here and scroll for as long as I want and then I can put it away. There's no time commitment. There's no, oh, I have to watch this video for 30 minutes. Oh, I have to get through this boring, like slow part. It's just, I don't really think it's killing our attention span. I really think it's more we are prioritizing what kind of content we want to watch over taking a gamble on something we don't want to watch. However, even though I say that, having that easy access to content is probably hurting long form content in the long run. Instead of sitting down and finding a good video that someone spent a lot of time on, I'm just going to scroll on TikTok for an hour and then go about my day. It does have some effects, but I don't think that means that long form content is going to die. Short form content is great because it applies, real fast dopamine hits, short videos that are, funny, and it lets us all be connected with each other. I personally really like the short form, like a renaissance that we've been going for. It's a really low time investment and it's really easy to get your video seen by a lot of people compared to a long form video. So it makes sense to me that a lot of people are shifting towards short form content and not prioritizing long form as their main form of content. That being said, long form content is still plenty of abundant and there's still great quality content to be found, and people are still watching it every single day. Long form content allows for deeper storytelling and more advanced topics than short form content does. Like when I'm watching a TikTok and it gets over like the 2 to 3 minute mark, I kind of just want to scroll because like that's not what I'm here on TikTok for. Like I'm not here to watch a 5-minute video. I'm here to get like quick 30 to a minute videos and then move on. However, on YouTube, I rarely watch a video that's under 5 minutes minimum, if not under 10 minutes. I enjoy having that long video of somebody talking about what they're passionate about, and it's just more entertaining to watch. I think it really depends on what kind of mood the viewer is in. Are we in a more short form, just I got 5 minutes to kill, let me scroll TikTok for 5 minutes? Or am I going to sit down and have a meal and I want to watch a quality YouTube video in front of me while I eat it? Because I do that for almost every meal, and it's the best way to eat a meal. And also, I think long form content is superior because it allows for a real connection with your viewer. If you see a video on TikTok, you see that person, you scroll, you forget about that video 5 minutes later. But if you sit down and watch a video for 15 minutes and you do that repeatedly on the same channel, you're gaining a connection with your viewer, which will make them want to come back more and more. So I still think that long form content has its rightful place and is still completely beneficial. As far as like what I'm asked to do as a video editor with some of my clients, it is mostly short form content, but I think that's just because a lot of clients don't want to put in the effort to make long form content, and that makes complete sense. I work with a lot of people whose business is not making videos, so why do they want to sit down and film and, a whole 10, 15-minute video? Or I can go up there and we can film videos together for the month, and then they have content for the month, and it took them 1 day to make it. Short form content is really good for those kind of like small businesses, but for people who actually want to make videos on a topic and really go in depth, I think long form's not going anywhere. And even then, some businesses I work with do want to make that long form content. They'll have a topic they want to talk about for 5-10 minutes, and we'll sit down, record it documentary style, and then post it to their YouTube channel. So people are still watching long form content. YouTube is still the second biggest website right after Google. And that doesn't really count in my opinion. And I know all those people aren't on there for shorts. People are on there for the long form video content that they have watched for years. I really think the attention span argument is extremely over exaggerated. I really think it just boils down to we want to prioritize what we're watching and the time that we have. So if I have 10 minutes to kill before I got to go somewhere, I'm going to scroll on TikTok. I'm not going to go find a 10-minute YouTube video to watch because it's just easier and more convenient. But There'll be times where I am in the mood to watch a nice long form YouTube video that someone put time and effort into. And I find that I at least watch one every day, if not multiple. And I know a lot of creators just use short form videos to promote their long form videos. I still feel like long form videos is the king when it comes to making video content. So in short, no, I don't think long form videos are dying. I just think they're evolving into a different space. They're not the only type of video that we can watch anymore. There's now multiple different short form apps and long form, so we have plenty of content we can choose from. But just because people are picky about what kind of videos they want to watch doesn't mean our attention span's dying. It doesn't mean long form content is going to die along with it. People have been saying that about movies for years, yet movies are still coming out. They're still breaking box office records. I don't think long form content is going to go anywhere. And as a video editor myself, I still get plenty of clients that want to make that long form content and watch my long form content. I don't think we have anything to work about. Short form is its own thing and it can coexist in the space alongside other long form videos. But that's just my take. I've been hearing a lot of talk about this online and I just wanted to make a video about it. Are you still watching long form videos, or do you disagree with what I'm saying and think that they're going to die out eventually? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.